What's up everybody, Traveler Tyler here, and I am super excited because I am in Coron and I'm going to do an island hopping tour today. I've been looking forward to this for a while, so should be a pretty good time. I'm doing a tour called Tour B. I think there was a bunch of different options with all different price ranges. Yep, looking forward to it. It's gonna be pretty great.
It's an American brand.
Yeah, you know, it's hard to transport. Yeah, it's hard. My group. Hello, my group. What goes down corner line? Okay. Only the free diving tour that cross the border. But if you not belong to casino or tour OCBC, yeah, here. Guys, put all of your stuff this area.
To the lake. Not too shabby. I was informed after we got here that we all had to wear life jackets the whole time. Twin Lagoons. Here's the way to the second lagoon. Honestly, I've just been swimming around with my life jacket next to me. Technically, they said you can hold it if you're a decent swimmer instead of wearing it. You just have to have it with you. So it's a little bit easier because it's such a pain if you can swim fairly well anyway. So yeah, I've just been kind of dragging it around with me. I think lunch is next. I'm ready for that. at this. Look at it. Oh, that's so cool. I had an absolutely awesome time on the island hopping tour that I did. I mean, that's pretty much what you do to come here. That is why you come to Coron. Other than that, not a whole lot to do right around this area. That's what like El Nido and that area is for. But today I'm going to climb a mountain. I forgot what it's called, but it's like got the words Coron on the side of it. It's supposed to be a really nice view for sunset. So the goal is to make it there in time for sunset. And so it begins, the Tapayas Stairway, I believe it's called. $100 stairs in, making progress. All right, there's 400. We gotta be getting close by now, huh? Meow. Meow. Okay. All right. I think this is it. Coron. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Phew. Nice big cross, like that. 720 steps altogether. Not too shabby. Let's check out the view on the other side. Wow. Amazing. Bring your own water because I don't see any that they're selling up top. And you're gonna want it. It's pretty overcast, so I don't really think there's going to be much of a sunset tonight, so I'll probably just get out of here ahead of the crowd. Take my 720 steps back down. Almost all the way back down. It only took me 11 minutes to get up, so it wasn't that bad. Back at Hot Hostel, and of course, more stairs. Woo! Thank you so much. So I ordered a Filipino dish called sisig. Sisig is meat that's cooked with like chilies and soy sauce and some other things. And then when they serve it, they put an egg on top and it cooks on top of the meat. Oh, it fogged up the camera. So I got, oh, and of course, garlic rice. I got tuna, sisig. Usually it's pork or chicken or I guess fish too. You can get it with anything. Yeah, haven't had it yet. Let's give it a shot. Oh yeah. Definitely fresh caught fish. That's super tasty. Nice. Oh, and they have red oars here, which usually only costs like 80 to 100, maybe 110 pesos. And it's like 7%, 6.9. So it's actually delicious. The only other thing they drink here is San Miguel and San Miguel Light. So it's nice to have something a little different. That's it for Coron. See you in Cebu.